Welcome to the project demonstration of solar power wireless mobile phone charging unit. So here the flow is we are going to charge a rechargeable battery of 12 volt 2 amp. So this is the battery pack consists of two battery packs, and each battery pack consists of three 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series. So we will get 12 volt 1 amp and 12 volt 1 amp. These two are connected in parallel. So we will get 12 volt 2 amps power supply, and which is of rechargeable battery. So this can be rechargeable from two ways. So one source is from the grid and another is from the solar panel. So let me explain you how to charge from the grid. So we need to connect over there. Here you can see T or S. So at that we need to connect the T, the transformer, and this transformer will take the 230 volts input and will provide us the 12 volts AC output. So this charging circuit will take the 230 volts input and provide us the 12 volts DC output. So this is the rectifier, so which will act as a bridge rectifier and will take AC and DC output. And this is the smoothing capacitor in order to regulate the pulsating DC to the PDC, and there we will get the PDC voltage which is sufficient to charge this battery. So this battery will get fully charged in a duration of 10 hours from the transformer. So if you want to charge a battery from the solar panel, so the transformer is useful whenever the solar panel is or sunlight is not available. Then if you want to charge a battery from the solar panel, connect the S at this S slot. Then so when we place this solar panel under the sunlight, so here these four diodes will not act as a rectifier because of we are providing DC power supply, and directly it will fed to the battery. So same it will take around of 10 hours maximum to be fully charged for this battery. And this is the main on off switch to provide the power supply to the circuitry. So here we are designed a circuit which is of 150 kilohertz of pulses will be generated from this circuit with help of these two MOSFETs, and therefore the generation of oscillations around 150 kilohertz we are going to making use of LC circuit. So as we know that LC oscillator, so oscillator is nothing but without any signal input it will generate the signals. So here this is the L is inductor and these three are the capacitors. So L and C will generate the pulses. That pulses will be given as input to the gate of these two MOSFETs. So the MOSFETs are like IRF Z44, and with help of these two Schottky diodes it will be act as one will get on and then another will be automatically off, and when it is on this will be automatically off. So the switching will be happen between these two MOSFETs, and that particular generated 150 kilohertz of frequency given as input to the center tapped copper coil. So this copper coil will produce the EMF. So when we place the secondary coil in the region of this primary coil, and this will be induced, and there also we will get the same frequency AC signal input as we are providing the, this is a transformer principle. So in the transformer without changing any input frequency it will provide us the output. So there we are providing the 150 kilohertz frequency to this coil. So in the receiving coil also we will get same 150 kilohertz of frequency, and that is nothing but AC signal voltage. So with 12 volts as we are providing the 12 volts. So in order to charge a mobile phone we need to regulate that to the 5 volts. So there here you can see same 4 diodes which will act as rectifiers, and after that pulsating DC will be generated, and the smoothing capacitor will remove the pulses and will get pure DC voltage. And after this 7805 regulator. So why? Because we need to provide only 5 volts power supply for the mobile phone charging. So for that purpose we are connected the 7805 regulator. So after that we will get pure DC voltage of 5 volts. Then to this multiple charging cable just connect the USB slot here, and then we can connect to the mobile phones. So let us see the demonstration. Coming to the ratings, so here we are using 12 volt 15 watts of solar panel, and next 12 volts 2 amps and 12 volts AC 750 milliamps transformer. So right, let us see the demonstration. Connect this to the mobile phone. See here, right. So this is the main on off switch. So always keep this off because this circuit will take the more power. So when we keep this in the region we can see the right? So the battery is charging now. We can see the indication over there, and off, right? So keep it this much of distance only, don't go to near, because of, so when we place this system near to the coil, then this particular MOSFET is getting heat up and it may lead to the kit damage, right?